Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just showing y'all a curly hair routine and giving y'all an update on the hair. So that side you see me playing with are already kind of wetted with the conditioner and water. So the only thing I do is get conditioner and water and put it in the spray bottle. I use Tresemme conditioner and I grab a towel. Now y'all, this is about, I want to say like a week after I installed the hair, which y'all previously seen. And it's okay, like, I don't wear it out, like, because I'm usually home doing hair, so it's usually up in a ponytail. But when I do pull it out, it do kind of have tangles in it, but that's expected to be your curly hair. And it's like, it gets dry very fast. It is very dry, but to me, it's okay for a quick style. I mean, you get what I'm saying? Like, I wouldn't get it for long term or to keep continuously using. But it looks good, and I made it work or whatever. Like, yeah. And again, I'll make sure I attach the link below where I got the hair from for you guys, and it was under $200. And if I'm not mistaken, it was a 26-inch curly frontal wig. Y'all know Aliexpress be having them crazy names. And then that's the wrap lotion I use. I like to use wrap lotion over mousse for curly hair because mousse makes the hair sticky kinda and hard, but the wrap lotion will make it hard and stay in place without making it the sticky feel, if that makes any sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this 1 week update on the hair. If you guys would like more updates like this where I just tell y'all about the hair a little bit after, just let me know. But yeah, this is some straight hair to wear, I would say that. But it's just what I said in my initial video. The frontal ends, it do get super dry, like little stuff like that. But I wouldn't recommend, like I said again, I wouldn't recommend it for long-term use. But it's good for the moment, cause like a few days after this video, I ended up taking it out because the back of the nape part got really tangled. But again, it's expected to get tangled with curly hair. But I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe.